Thinking about replacing your hot water tank? Whether it's due to age, inefficiency, or a sudden breakdown, knowing what to expect in terms of cost can help you plan ahead. In this video, we'll break down the key factors that influence replacement cost to help you make an informed decision. On average, total hot water tank cost, including installation, ranges from $1,200 to $2,500. This will depend on the size of the tank, the brand you choose, and whether you're upgrading to a more energy-efficient model or sticking with the same type. The size of your household affects the size of tank you'll need. A 40-gallon tank might be enough for 3 people, but a family of 5 may need 50 gallons or more. And of course, a larger tank is more expensive. If saving on utilities appeals to you, look for models with a high efficiency rating. The higher efficiency types will save money on utilities and may even qualify for a government rebate. Gas water heaters cost more to install due to venting upgrades and gas line requirements, but they heat water faster than electric models and cost less over time, whereas electric tanks are cheaper to install but more expensive to run. Don't forget about extras. Permit fees, expansion tanks, or bringing your system up to code will add more to the overall cost. The best way to get an idea on the total cost for what you want is to consult with a local plumber. They usually offer a free estimate, which should be quite accurate. If you're thinking about replacing your old hot water tank now, we're here to help. Reach out today for expert advice and a no-obligation quote. Shamrocks Plumbing and Heating. Call 250-575-8138 or visit us online at www.shamrocksplumbingandheating.ca.